Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to generate QR code for WhatsApp group. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and now over here I'll select this group. Over here you can find this group. Now to generate the QR code for this group, first of all tap on your group name on the top. And now scroll down and over here on members you can find this invite file link. Tap on this and now you will find different options over here. Now to generate QR code, over here you'll find this QR code. Tap on this and now you can see this is QR code of this group. Now if you want to share this, you can just take a screenshot. After taking this screenshot, you can either print this and keep it on your place and also share with anyone you like. So in this way, we can create QR code for WhatsApp group. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.